In the case where both the source and listener move towards each other, what happens to the apparent frequency? A. It decreases. B. It becomes zero. C. It remains the same. D. It increases. The correct answer is D. It increases. What changes due to the employment pattern? A. Economic activities. B. Government rules. C. Development policy. D. Terms are not fixed and regular. The correct answer is D. Terms are not fixed and regular. Which of these factors is listed as a major cause of floods? A. Astronomical factors. B. Meteorological factors. C. Geological factors. D. Seismic activity. The correct answer is B. Meteorological factors. Which organization is responsible for quick response ambulances on national highways? A. Indian Red Cross Society. B. Ministry of Transport. C. National Highway Authority of India, NHAI. D. State Police Departments. The correct answer is C. National Highway Authority of India, NHAI. What is the full form of ISRO? A. Integrated Space Research Office. B. Indian Satellite Research Operations. C. International Space Research Organization. D. Indian Space Research Organization. The correct answer is D. Indian Space Research Organization. What do students study about in relation to entering adolescence? A. Changes in global economics. B. Changes that occur in the environment. C. Changes that occur normally in the body. D. Changes in ancient history. The correct answer is C. Changes that occur normally in the body. Which type of joint allows movement in two planes and has a much shallower articulating surface than a ball and socket joint? A. Pivot joint. B. Gliding joint. C. Saddle joint. D. Hinge joint. The correct answer is C. Saddle joint. Which of the following is an example of an audiovisual service offered by providers? A. Courier delivery. B. Postal service. C. Book publishing. D. Web streaming. The correct answer is D. Web streaming. Which organization is specifically mentioned as being part of district organizations for disaster management? A. Revenue Department. B. Transport Department. C. Health Services. D. State Disaster Management Authority. The correct answer is A. Revenue Department. Which rituals are mentioned in the Velvikudi copper plates and inscriptional sources? A. Only Hiranya. B. Aswamedha Yaga and Hiranya. C. Sitira Meli Yaga. D. Only Aswamedha Yaga. The correct answer is B. Aswamedha Yaga and Hiranya. Osmosis involves the movement of which type of molecules? A. Gas molecules. B. Water molecules. C. Protein molecules. D. Solute molecules. The correct answer is B. Water molecules. From which organ is an ovum released? A. Ovary. B. Fallopian tube. C. Uterus. D. Vagina. The correct answer is A. Ovary. Who appoints the Governor in India? A. Chief Minister. B. The Central Government. C. State Legislature. D. Supreme Court. The correct answer is B. The Central Government. If a fuse wire is made of a material with a relatively low melting point, what happens when there is an excessive current? A. The wire melts and disconnects the circuit. B. The wire becomes a superconductor. C. The wire's conductivity decreases. D. The wire's resistance increases. The correct answer is A. The wire melts and disconnects the circuit. Approximately how many copies of Common Sense were sold quickly after its publication? A. More than 100,000. B. Exactly 75,000. C. Around 50,000. D. Less than 10,000. The correct answer is A. More than 100,000. Which scientist is mentioned in relation to carbon consumption and C14 decay? A. Marie Curie. B. Charles Darwin. C. Albert Einstein. D. W. F. Libby. The correct answer is D. W. F. Libby. A short circuit results in the flow of a large current through the wires because the effective resistance in the circuit becomes what? A. Very large. B. Very small. C. Undefined. D. Moderate. The correct answer is B. Very small. The text implies that Muhammad Ghori's decision to feature goddess Lakshmi on coins was a sign of his A. Artistic preference. B. Political ambition. C. Religious tolerance. D. Financial astuteness. The correct answer is C. Religious tolerance. Which district is Uttirmerur GBHSS located in? A. Salem. B. Chennai. C. Kanchipuram. D. Tiruvallur. The correct answer is C. Kanchipuram. What is the chemical formula for corundum, an important ore of aluminium? A. CO2. Bl2O3. C. Na3alf6. D. Al2O3.2H2O. The correct answer is B. Al2O3. Which of these is not listed as an example of marine vegetation that performs photosynthesis? A. Marsh grass. B. Phytoplanktons. C. Marine algae. D. Water hyacinth. The correct answer is D. Water hyacinth. What is the primary function of the cerebellum in relation to the body? A. Maintaining body balance. B. Filtering blood. C. Controlling digestion. D. Regulating heart rate. The correct answer is A. Maintaining body balance. Which city is shown located near the Brahmaputra River? A. Taxila. B. Mathura. C. Patliputra. D. Sarnath. The correct answer is C. Patliputra. Which invention is credited with bringing the world closer? A. Telex. B. Radio. C. Typewriter. D. Television. The correct answer is A. Telex. What does AHO stand for in the context of vehicular safety? A. Automatic headlight on. B. Automatic hazard operation. C. Advanced headlight optics. D. Auxiliary high beam output. The correct answer is A. Automatic headlight on. Where did the German missionary Bartholomäus Zeigenbolg start first school in Tamil Nadu? A. Tiruchirappalli. B. Tranquebar. C. Tirunelveli. D. Tanjavur. The correct answer is B. Tranquebar. What does a steering wheel transfer to the wheels of a car? A. Mass. B. Torque. C. Energy. D. Weight. The correct answer is B. Torque. In which condition is soil erosion more prevalent? A. No rainfall. B. Low rainfall. C. Rainfall is high. D. Drought conditions. The correct answer is C. Rainfall is high. What device is used to obtain a direct current, DC, from an AC generator? A. A slip ring. B. An electromagnet. C. A split ring type commutator. D. A solenoid. The correct answer is C. A split ring type commutator. Approximately how many workers were in the city of Petrograd? A. 250,000. B. 100,000. C. 400,000. D. 500,000. The correct answer is C. 400,000. How did you score?